Let me guess, client wants a website but has no money? Here's how I get my initial setup for WordPress sites, using free tools I actually use in real projects. This is my go-to starting setup: Astra, starter templates, and Spectra. It is how I get a fast and reliable starting point ready in minutes for low-budget clients. Let me show you. Starting inside a clean WordPress installation, go to Plugins and click on Add Plugin at the top. Now search for Spectra. Install it, and when it finishes, activate it. Next, go to the menu item on the left side called Spectra. On the right side, where it says Extend your website, click to install the Starter Templates plugin. You don't need to install Astra theme, it will be automatically installed. Now on the first step, you can use AI, but I like to manually select the template. It will ask you to choose a page builder. Since we are using Spectra blocks instead of Elementor for this tutorial, select Block Editor. If you're not seeing the templates, make sure to click above to refresh and sync the library. Now you have hundreds of templates to choose from. Some are premium, and I highly recommend paying for their bundle if you can include it in the project. If you already have a design in mind, you can choose one that is similar. This is just the starting point. When you finish installing the template, we can edit everything. It will also allow you to upload your logo and change the global color right here, but I usually add this later for more control. Let's click Continue. You can always enable, disable, or delete plugins later. Let's skip those two steps. You can also use Elementor if you prefer, but my personal preference is Spectra. I think it is faster and native to the WordPress block editor. Let me know in the comments if you agree. And just like that, in a few minutes we have a fully functional website. You have your homepage, your menus, and your other pages all working. It is far from a premium website, but for a low-budget business website, it is the perfect starting point, done in minutes. But generating the site is only step one. Now we need to customize it. And if you want to learn how to completely customize the website, click the video on the screen right now to watch my WordPress beginners tutorial. I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. See you there!